Welcome, explorers and comfort seekers. Get ready to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the road's ultimate in comfort and innovation. This incredible vehicle, which combines exceptional performance with elegant Scandinavian design, is predicted to revolutionize the RV industry. It exudes refinement from the outside and achieves the perfect balance between style and functionality thanks to Volvo's iconic sleek, aerodynamic lines. As the high-tech brains behind it all, we would expect a complex electric drivetrain, maybe with 2 electric motors for powerful and smooth all-wheel drive, supplemented by a sizable battery pack for longer range and emission-free driving. When you first walk in, the dashboard's sleek, futuristic look welcomes you. Buttons have been replaced by a large, vertical infotainment display that serves as an easy-to-use, fully integrated control center. A chic digital driver's display behind it displays all the information you need, and a 5G connection and built-in Google Assistant ensure that you're always connected to the outside world and your navigation. You will sense the authentic essence of Scandinavian design as soon as you enter. The inside is spacious, well-lit, and tastefully furnished. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, the use of eco-friendly fabrics like Nordico and thick wool mixes is satisfying to the touch. Large panoramic windows and even a glass roof allow for unobstructed views of the natural world, allowing the beauty of nature to fill your cabin. With sliding and swiveling seats, this room's versatile design allows you to swiftly transform it from a comfortable lounge to an elegant dining space. When it's time to unwind, the bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome offers a tranquil retreat. One example of how contemporary design and utility may coexist is a king-size bed with a cozy mattress. Movable ambient lights and concealed storage give the perfect environment for relaxing. Even the architecture of the bathroom reflects Volvo's sophistication. This bathroom is compact but makes good use of all the space because of its high-quality materials, modern fixtures, and the possibility of a water-saving shower. Style and utility work together to ensure that you get what you want in a way that makes sense and is easy to understand. Finally, let's peek into the kitchen. Modern, energy-efficient appliances like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a practical sink are probably included in this kitchen, which is designed for traveling chefs. With innovative countertops and hidden storage, you'll always have everything you need to prepare delicious meals wherever you go. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a future home on wheels that combines style, sustainability, and technology to provide an unparalleled holiday experience. Are you ready for your next adventure?